Hey everybody, I hope you guys had a great Monday. Today is Tuesday, April the 14th, 2020, and I got on my side on the Clever account. I get on that often throughout the day, and sometimes I'm even on it the same time some of you are, and I can actually see what questions you're working on, which is pretty cool. But I'd like to give a shout out to Liam, Xander, Nick, Jack, Sully, Corey, and Kinsley for working on IXL. And Sully, Jax, Nick, and Liam for reading on Mayan. So great job, guys. All this practice, I promise, really pays. All the practice you put in is just good work. It's really good work. So that was my good thing to see that you guys are still working. I also got some good things that I posted to my Dojo story. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, go to the Dojo app and go to the story. And there's a couple videos on there and some pictures that parents text me. Remember, if you want to post it to the story, you have to text it to me. I cannot save a photo that is on Dojo. So if you want to post it to the story, just text it to me and I can get it on there. And I know you all love seeing each other. Yay! All right, let's start our practice. I'm going to say the sounds of the letters. You say the word, okay? And then we're going to change that final sound again. D, A, T. Change the T to a G. What do you have? So the first word is D, A, T, dot. Then you change the T to a G. D-og. Dog. Tell me a word that rhymes with dog. Dog, hog. Good. Can. Can. Change the N to a P. What do you have? I'll tell you all the sounds again so you'll know. K, a, n, can was the first word. Now you're taking that final sound and changing it to a P. App. Cap. Tell me a word that rhymes with cap. Tap. Cap, tap. Remember, they have to end the same to rhyme. Web. Web. Change the B to a T. Wet. Wet. Good job. Tell me a word that rhymes with wet. Pet. Hop. Hop. Change the P to a T. What do you have? Hot. Hot. Tell me a word that rhymes with hot. Not. Good job on blending these sounds. All right. Grab your whiteboard and your expo. I'll wait. You can pause me. I'm just kidding. Okay. So hopefully you have it. We are going to write some short U words. Remember the lazy U sound that goes, That's right. All right. We're going to sound them out. Sound them out and then write them. All right. First word. I want you to write it up here in the corner because I don't want you to erase between them. I want us to be able to fit them all on there, okay? So you could have your board horizontally or you could turn it vertically to get more words down it, whichever. Okay, first word, Doug. Tell me the sounds in Doug. D, G, Doug. Right, Doug. Good job. Did you make your letters correctly? Does the D and the U have tails? Make them all lowercase, okay? D, G, Doug. Next one, the sounds in jug. J, G, jug. Right, jug. Jug. The next one, bug. Tell me the sounds in bug. B, G, bug. Let's write the sounds in bug. bug. All right. Tell me the sounds in tug. T, tug. Write the sounds in tug. Tug. Finally, tell me the sounds in hug. Hug. Uh-oh, I dropped my lid. Hug. All right. Let's read these words. D-ug, j-ug, b-ug, t-ug, h-ug. What is something that all of these words have in common? Well, the middle sound, and the final sound, g. That is because they are part of the ugh family. The only thing, once you know that this says ugh, the only thing you have to do is change that beginning sound. B-ugh, j-ugh. I mean, this is d-ugh, j-ugh, b-ugh, t-ugh, h-ugh. Good job. All right, erase your boards. That makes me feel like we're in school when I say that. All right, guys, erase your boards. Hey, will somebody grab my phone? The next thing I want you to write on your, it's in that chair. The next thing I want you to write on your board is this big word. Look at that word. Tracy, will you hand me the lid? Yeah. Look at that word. That's a long word, right? Let me give you a hint. U says its name. Okay? So U, N, 10, U, 10, U, N, ill, utensil, utensil, utensil. Then there's an S at the end. Utensils, utensils. Do you guys know what a utensil is or what utensils are? They are small handheld tools used to help you with food, okay? And I wanted to use this one because it has U's superhero name, utensil. So what I would like you to do on a piece of paper or on this board, I want you to draw 4 utensils, label them, and send me a picture. Utensils, okay? Those are things that help you with food. Name some utensils. A spoon, fork, knife, spatula, and there's all types of spoons, by the way. Spatula, there are, an apple peeler that peels the apples. That's a utensil. All right, so that is your assignment, is to write utensils and draw 4 utensils and label them, okay? And it says U in it. All right, now, for your sight words, your first assignment is to play a game with the March words. And that game, I don't think I even brought my March words. Maybe I did. That game, oh, I did, yay! That game is this. I'm going to give you a clue, and this is what mom or dad or somebody will do in your house about a March word, and then you have to guess the word, okay? And then you have to find it on your list. I'll give you a first one. This word is 6 letters long, and it has 2 of the same letter in it, okay? And it's the opposite of big. What word is it? Little. Little. Good job. All right. This word is only 2 letters long, and the Y has on the I's cape. Do you know what March word is only 2 letters long where the Y says I? By. B-Y. Yes. Good job. So that is what you're going to play with your March words. Then you're going to take your new April words And you're going to try to use them in just one sentence, or at least two of them in one sentence. Let's review these. Think, word. Help. Spell help. H-E-L-P. Say help. Think, word. Have. Spell have. H-A-V-E. Say have. Think, word. One. Spell one. O-N-E. Say one. Think, word. Every. Spell every. E-V-E-R-Y. Say every. Good job. Now, with these 4 words, I want you to try to use at least 2 of them in the same sentence, okay? To combine to make just in the same sentence. I came up with one sentence. Do I have to help everyone? Do I have to help everyone? Do I have to help? I came up with a question. Actually, do I have to help everyone? I used have, help, every, and one. I started my question with a capital, and I ended it with a question mark to show you I was finished. Did I space between my words? Yes, and the only capital inside of my sentence, the word I, because it's always a capital letter if it's at the beginning, the middle, or the end. The word I is always capital. All right. So I want you to try that challenge, to try to use all these words, or at least 2 in a sentence. Then you have a handwriting page to do. Page 73. You're going to practice writing correctly, lowercase u. Then you're going to turn to page 123 and practice capital U. All right? All right. Okay. Then, for math, let's play a short little game. I'm thinking of a number, okay? Just like I was thinking of a sight word, now I'm thinking of a number. I'm thinking of a number that comes before 5. 4. I'm thinking of a number that is 4 plus 3 more. 7. Good job. I am thinking of a number that has 1 group of 10 and 3 more ones. 13. Good job. I'm thinking of a number that has 2 groups of 10. 20. Yay! I'm thinking of a number that is 1 less than 17. 16. Good job. I'm thinking of a number that is 8 take away 2. 8 take away 2. So how many are left? 6. Good job. Parents, that's how you can play. I'm thinking of a number, and that will just help build that number sense for them. Then I want you to turn to page 339 in your math practice book. Remember, parents, the directions are here at the bottom. You're going to do page 339 and 340. That's it. Pretty short for today. Leave it in your book. And finally, you have, I hope everybody has received their seeds by now. If you haven't, let me know, okay? And I hope you have got them planted. I showed you mine yesterday where I had it planted, and it's actually setting on my front porch now. But yesterday you were supposed to watch a little song from the Kid Boomers, really easy. Today I want you to search on YouTube, How Does a Seed Become a Plant by SciShow Kids, okay? So it should tell you how a seed becomes a plant. And hopefully we all get to watch that with our seeds. All right, and that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and I will be back here on Wednesday. Wednesday on YouTube School. Bye.